best feeling in the world is to know your parents are smiling because of you. Am I right? So, respect your parents, love your parents and obey your parents. We already started addition up to 20. We discussed addition by counting forward and adding tens and ones. Today, we are going to learn addition of three numbers. Okay, just listen here. 3 plus 2 plus 1. 3 plus 2 plus 1. So what we do? Firstly, we have to add first two numbers. 3 and 2. 3 plus 2. 3 and 2 make 3 plus 2 is equal to 4, 5. 5. Then we have to add 5 and 1. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So, 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 6. Got it? Listen. 4 plus 3 plus 2. Read the question. 4 plus 3 plus 2. So, firstly we have to add 4 and 3. Firstly we have to add 4 and 3. 4 plus 3 is equal to, count after 4 in 3 times. 5, 6, 7. 7. Then we have to add 2 with 7. 7 plus 2 is equal to, 7 plus 2 is equal to, count after 7 in 2 times. 8, 9. Okay, one more example. Three plus 2 plus 4. So 3 plus 2 is equal, 3 plus 2 is equal to, and 3 and 2 make, yes, 5. Then we have to add 5 and 4. 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is equal to, count after 5 in 4 times. 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 3 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 9. 3 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 9. Understood? The lesson addition up to 20 is over. Our new lesson is subtraction up to 20. We have already learned subtraction up to 10 in the last classes. Okay. First one, subtraction by crossing out. Subtraction by crossing out. By crossing out. Question number 1. 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5. Subtraction by crossing out. So what we do? We have to draw lines. How many lines we have to draw? Yes, 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then what we do? We have to cross out 5 lines. We have to cross out 5 lines. Are you ready to cross out? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many lines are remaining here? Count and say how many lines are remaining here. 1, 2, 3. So 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Got it? Then next one, we have already learned T for tens, O for ones. T for tens and O for ones. You just listen here. 13 minus 6. We have to subtract 6 from 13. 6 from 13 by crossing out. Okay. Then so we have to draw 13 lines. We have to draw 13 lines. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then we have to cross out 6 lines. So we have to cross out the lines from the right side. Okay, right side from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then count how many lines are remaining here. Count and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. Where do we write 7? In the ones place. In the ones place. One more example. Minus 9. 15 minus 9. 15 minus 9. So how many lines we have to draw? Yes, 50 lines. How many lines we have to draw? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then we have to cross out 9 lines. We have to cross out 9 lines from right side. Okay, from right side. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then count and say how many lines are remaining here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. Subtraction by crossing out is not easy. So you can follow this method to subtract. Okay, just listen. First one. 8 minus 5. Then what we do? Count after 5 up to 8. Count after 5 up to 8. Count after 5. 6, 7, 8. How many fingers are here? 3 fingers. So 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Okay. So 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Got it? Then 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6. What we do? Yes. Count after 6 up to 9. Count after 6 up to 9. Count after 6 up to 9. Yes. 7, 8, 9. So 9 minus 6 is equal to how many fingers are here? 3 fingers. So 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. One more. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2. So what we do? Count after 2 up to 7. Count after 2 up to 7. Count after 2. Yes. 4. ചിത്രാംശം തെറ്റിപ്പോയില്ലേ? Count after 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers are here? 5 fingers. So 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Then T for tens, O for ones. T for tens and O for ones. 15 minus 3. 15 minus 3. What we do? Which place we have to subtract first? Yes, ones place. Which place we have to subtract first? The digits in the ones place. The digits in the ones place. Which are the digits in the ones place? Which are the digits in the ones place? Tell me. 5 and 3. So we have to subtract 3 from 5 firstly. So 5 minus 3. So what we do? Count after 3 up to 5. Count after 3 up to 5. 4, 5. How many fingers are here? 2 fingers. So we have to write 2 in the ones place. 2 in the ones place. 2 in the ones place. Then what we do? Is there any number to subtract? No. 1. Only 1 tenth. So what we do? Yes. Bring down 1. Bring down 1. We have to write 1 in the tens place. So 15 minus 3 is equal to 12. 15 minus 3 is equal to 12. One more problem. minus 4. 16 minus 4. Okay. Which place we have to subtract first? Tell me the digits in the ones place. The digits in the ones place. Which are the digits in the ones place? 6 and 4. Which are the digits in the ones place? 6 and 4. So what we do? Count after 4 up to 6. Yes. Count and say 6 minus 4 is equal to? Yes. 5, 6. So 6 minus 4 is equal to? 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. We have to write 2 in the ones place. Then what we do? Bring down 1. What we do? Bring down 1. Got it? Then take your notebook. Then note down the date and heading. Subtraction up to 20. Subtraction up to 20. Please note down in your notebook. Then subtraction by crossing out and subtraction by counting backward. No, it's not important. This way you have to follow to subtract the numbers. Okay. Have you noted the date and heading? Yes. Third heading. Subtract the following. Underline the heading and write down the subheading. Subtract the following. Subtract the following. Subtract the following. Okay. First question. 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5. Then what we do? Count after 5 up to 6. Count after 5 up to 6. Count after 5 up to 6. After 5, 6. After 5, 6. So how many fingers are here? One finger. So 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Then you are not supposed to write anything here. Next box, you note down the question number. Question number 2. Question number 2. 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3. What we do? Count after 3 up to 9. Right, found the answer. Found the answer and tell me. 9 minus 3 is equal to? Yes, 6. Very good. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Good. Then third question. 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5. What we do? Count after 5 up to 8. Count after 5 up to 8. Just find out the answer and tell me. 8 minus 5. Yes. 3. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Then next question number 4. Then tens and ones. Tens and ones. T for tens, O for ones. 19 minus 4. 19 minus 4. What we do? We have to subtract the digits in the ones place. The digits in the ones place. Which are the digits in the ones place? Tell me. Yes, 9 and 4. 9 and 4. So 9 minus 4 is equal to? Count after 4 up to 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Where do we write 5? We have to write in the ones place. We have to write in the ones place. Then what we do? 1 is here, no? 1 is here in the tens place. So what we do? Bring down 1. Bring down 1. We have to write 1 in the tens place. Got it? Then fifth question. Eighteen minus 3. 18 minus 3. So what we do? We have to subtract the digits in the ones place. Which are the digits in the ones place? Tell me. 8 and 5. So 8 minus 3 is equal to? 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Then what we do? Bring down 1. One more question. Fifteen minus 5. 15 minus 5. Which are the numbers we have to subtract first? The digits in the numbers in the ones place. Which are the numbers in the ones place? Which are the digits in the ones place? 5 and 5. So 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Then what we do? Bring down 1. Have you noted? Some questions are here. You are supposed to write the questions in the notebook, find the answer and send to me personally. I am again reminding one thing. Obey our parents, respect our parents and love our parents. Stay safe, stay home, study well. Thank you.